Realme's most recent entrant in the affordable segment is the Realme 14X, with an elegant design, decent hardware, and great software. So much so that it more than justifies the asking price of $14,999. And here is the full review. Well, talking about the design, the Realme 14X 5G is built to last, boasting an IP69 certification for water and dust resistance. It is military standard 810H grade protection. The standout USP is the sonic wave water ejection technology, which ensures the phone can expel water effectively, making it ideal for users in challenging environment. It also has an armor shell protected plastic back, and the colors are really impressive. The crystal black, golden glow, and jewel red, which is my favorite and adds a premium aesthetic to Realme 14X. This one is light, sleek, and undeniably attractive. Talking about the display, 6.67-inch IPS LCD display has 120Hz refresh rate, which offers a smooth scrolling and gaming experience. However, its HD Plus resolution falls short compared to competitors that are offering full HD Plus displays. With 625 nit peak brightness is adequate under sunlight, it's still a bit problematic. There isn't stereo speakers despite the inclusion of 200% ultra volume mode, so that's sure a miss. Talking about the performance, it runs on MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset. The phone handles day-to-day tasks, casual gaming, and multitasking with ease. With up to 8GB of RAM, 10GB of virtual RAM, and 128GB of storage, which is expandable up to 2TB, it offers ample space and smooth performance. The read and write speeds could be faster, but then with this, it's value for money. This runs Android 14 based on Realme UI 5.0. The phone offers smooth animations and extensive customization options, including features like Ace gestures and AI flash matting. The presence of bloatware detracts with the experience, although the most pre-installed apps can be uninstalled. Talking about the camera, you could see it has 50-megapixel AI primary camera that delivers vibrant and detailed images in daylight. The 8-megapixel front camera produces decent selfies. However, there's a lack of ultra-wide or macro lens that limits creative photography options. Though the colors are impressive, and this one gives decent shots with the lenses it has. Talking about the video recording, it's capped at 1080p at 30 frames per second, which feels limited compared to the competitors that are offering 4K recording. Moving on to the battery. And yes, this is where the 14X 5G shines. The 6000 mAh battery absolutely stands out, delivering 15 to 18 hours screen on time under moderate to heavy usage. It has a 45 watts of fast charging that ensures the phone charges from 0 to 50% in just under 30 minutes. And this makes it quite reliable as compared to the competitors. And yes, it's very good for people who are on the go all the time. So, should you be buying Realme 14X 5G? Well, yes, it's a game changer in the mid-range segment smartphone market for sure that offers unmatched durability, long battery life, and reliable performance at an affordable price. It lacks premium features like stereo speakers, ultra-wide cameras, and faster storage. Its IP69 certification, military-grade protection, and sonic wave water ejection technology makes it an excellent choice for users prioritizing toughness and endurance. Whether you're out, on adventure, or anywhere, you don't have to worry about your phone. And yes, at this price point, the phone is quite impressive in its design and sure gives a premium look. And the pricing, like we told you, is $14,999, which is value for money with the specs that it offers and the looks that it has.